How you doing, family? This is your brother Kamal. Now for this part of my channel, it's just dedicated to young people who are doing things in the community, young activists. Now, today we have a sister called Sister Jamila. Now she has a group called Hood to Good. She'll be talking about a lot of the ongoing issues revolving around our young people. Let's see what she has to say. Hope you enjoy the video. This is Sister Jamila. How you doing, Jamila?
I'm fine. You?
Yeah, I'm good. So tell all of us who don't know, what is Hood to Good?
Hood to Good is a youth organisation that started, I think I started like 2 years ago, but we wasn't really serious.
Yeah.
When I started again, we started at the back of Stockwell Community Centre.
Yeah, Stockwell.
When I started this as everyone feel free to tell me anything.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to inform no police, I didn't have to do them kind of things.
Yeah, that's right.
When I started working with organisations that were saying that how if something you think is at risk, you have to contact the police, but it wasn't as deep as what they would see. How they saw things as deep and how I saw it was different.
Yeah.
Like I could deal with the situation without calling the police.
Yeah, that's right.
So the boys had the trust in me, and then they started trying to water down what I wanted to do and change it into what they wanted to do. So I was like, no, I have to leave.
Water down.
So I started doing like fundraising to do it myself.
Yeah.
And then we were gone for funding, but I left every organisation and went solo. Because once I started going solo, I started realising that the boys can confide and trust me in me more than working with any organisation that's got Tom, Dick and Harry in it.
Yeah, exactly. So that's wicked and that's cool. In all of this, and I want you to answer this in the most best and quickest way possible. The bridge between the younger generation and the older generation. Because when they speak to me, they say, oh, the young people, they're so horrible. The young people are saying, the elders didn't give us nothing. However, with the teaching that I've given, I always pay respect to, and I always have to bear in mind that I'm here, an active follower of Minister Farber, as a result of all those who came before me. You understand what I'm saying? All those who made their sacrifice in the 80s and the 90s. I was born in the 90s like yourself, and as a result we're here and we're beneficiaries of that, and we're there to pass on the baton. So outside of that, how do you think we can form a much more stronger bridge where we can get some commonality and some understanding with the elders?
Do you know what it is? I feel like when we were younger, there always used to be an elder that could speak to you.
Yes, exactly.
There always used to be an elder that can put you in a place.
Yeah.
There was your mum's friend that could talk to you. You might not like it, but she could talk to you.
Yeah.
There was always a neighbour that would go and snake, and if she saw you, your mum would know before you get home. It was always that. It was always that. And now I think there's the lack of the elders getting involved in the young people.
Yeah.
One brother that I'm gonna say that I think 100%, apart from you have to pick the minister up 100%, because at the end of the day, if it wasn't for him, Minister Hillary wouldn't be able to talk the knowledge that he talks.
Yeah. And
the teaching that he has, and he wouldn't be able to teach us.
All right, so putting that on the table. Final words. What advice would you give for the young people? You got the advice for the young sisters. What advice would you give the young brothers? You yourself personally. I
think the young brothers need to understand that our black men are original, regardless. A black man needs to understand that there's sisters that can't bring nothing to the table. So don't chase them sisters that can't bring anything to the table. But chase the sisters that are trying to do things, the sisters that are going to push you to become that man. Because behind every successful man there's a successful woman.
Help me.
And then I think the brothers need to understand that there's no brother, even if you've gone to jail, even if you're on the road, there's no brother that can't turn around and have a testimony. And I feel like the brothers need to understand you don't need to do postcodes, because I know a lot of girls don't think postcodes cool. Only silly girls that are trying to live off boys' names, and that's the girls that you don't even want to be around. And postcode war is situations where it doesn't just put you at risk, it puts your family at risk. You're threatened. You can't go certain places thinking that I might get touched. A lot of these boys don't even know. Their mums are not even from England, but they're repping postcodes. Trust me. It doesn't make no sense. I feel like the brothers need to just man up and just go and get education and be successful and be the businessmen instead of being the drug dealers.
And when we mention education, it doesn't mean go to school, go to college, go to uni. No, you can learn from anywhere. So with that said, when's the what we doing now? What's Hood to Good doing now? And when's the next event? And what's the next move?
I'm just going to be focused on my foundation and getting my programs for the young people built up.
Yes.
How to become a man, how to be successful.
Yeah.
Things about how social media affects your life. I'm going to be doing individual workshops with individual mentoring with boys. I'm also going to have some of the, like, I just spoke to Mr. Mighty the other day, and he was willing to become a mentor for Hood to Good. So we're just, and also the Brothers of the Nation are going to be running the program that they have of how to become a man.
Exactly. Right.
So
we will be doing that.
Yeah.
I will definitely let everybody know. So yeah, where are you based? Is it a Brixton thing? Obviously, it's a.
Do you know
it's big, but where are you based? Where are we based?
At the moment, everything that we're doing is based in Towsell.
Yeah.
But we're outreach. So wherever the U is, we'll go there.
Wherever the U is, we will go find him, and we're going to bring him to Sister Jamila and bring us also. Okay. Yeah. So thank you, Sister Jamila, for your time. Okay. Thank you for watching. Peace, family. Love always.